Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with strawberry quartz, the stone of pure joy. And for those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to find out how to do that with strawberry quartz. But if you've been watching my videos and you really enjoy learning about crystals and gemstones and you haven't already subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button, because I post 4 videos a week about how crystals and gemstones can help you improve the quality of your life. And today, we're going to talk about how you can improve the quality of your life with strawberry quartz, the stone of pure joy. And this is another member of the quartz family. Quartz comes in many different colors. And this is a lesser known pink quartz. And it's different from rose quartz in that it's a deep pink. It's a deep pink gemstone. But it still speaks to our heart issues. And the first benefit of working with strawberry quartz, this stone of pure joy, is that it helps us with gratitude. It helps us appreciate what we have in our lives, who we have in our lives, especially when we're feeling low. We're feeling depressed and kind of hopeless. This gemstone helps lift our mood. It helps us notice and remember those small things in life that really bring us happiness and joy. If it's looking out a certain window, if it's having a certain breakfast, drinking from a certain mug, talking to a certain friend on the phone, all of those things help to remind us to live life. This is a great stone if you have a regular gratitude journaling practice, which I highly recommend if you are feeling a little beat up by life. It's feeling kind of hard. Then starting a gratitude journal practice with strawberry quartz is so helpful to lift you up, to help you remember that there are things in life that bring you joy, and maybe you haven't been making time for them. If you'd like to learn how to start a gratitude journal practice, certainly Google. There are so many practices out there, and you don't need a special journal. You just need to take a few minutes each day to write down what you're grateful for. Then the second benefit of working with strawberry quartz is that it encourages celebration in life. And all too often, months and years fly by without us noticing or remembering kind of what happened that year. This stone reminds us to take time to appreciate our successes, to celebrate those holidays. Maybe you don't celebrate birthdays, but if you do, take a few moments to make them special for yourself, for your loved ones, and especially celebrating your successes. We are driven a lot by a to-do list, like attitude, I guess, being productive, and we tend to check things off of our to-do list really quick and move on to the next one. But if you have finished something or accomplished something really important to you, then stop and take some moments to appreciate what you've done and to celebrate with your friends and family and to give yourself a pat on the back and take a moment to just soak that in before you pick up and move on to the next thing. This stone really wants us to live our life, to see and experience those moments in our life rather than letting them speed by. Then the third benefit of working with strawberry quartz is that it helps us connect with our friends and family. It reminds us that love is such a powerfully healing emotion and energy, and that we need to remember to spend time with those we love and we care about, because it lifts us up and it helps us feel more complete. Even if we're introverted, there are those people that make you feel happier, that help you feel supported. And don't forget to reach out to those. I know this year is hard during this pandemic, and I haven't gotten to spend a lot of time with the people that I really care about. But it's important to even reach out, to text and to say hi on Facebook and to FaceTime or Zoom, to reach out and just connect heart to heart, because that is so uplifting and it's so healing. And then the fourth benefit of working with strawberry quartz is that it helps us develop work-life balance. So many times we tend to work so hard that we don't make time to relax. There are definitely those people out there, you know who you are, that work, and barely take time for themselves, for hobbies, to just sit and have some quiet moments with a cup of coffee, to sit outside, to meditate, to do those things that rejuvenate us and our energy. It reminds us to take time to create some boundaries between work life and non-work life. And to do all those things that the first three benefits support with. To appreciate those things in life that bring us joy, to appreciate our friends and family, to celebrate. If you're working so hard, you're gonna burn out. There needs to be some balance. And this stone helps support you defining and enforcing and appreciating these boundaries in your life. Strawberry quartz is such an uplifting and healthy stone. It wants us to notice our life, to live it, to appreciate it, to soak in everything that we need, and to pick us up when we feel down. So I hope that you've enjoyed hearing about strawberry quartz. And if you do feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with strawberry quartz. And you don't need the gemstone with you to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything in this video or any of the prompts in the guided meditation really call to you and speak to you, then that's a sign that you should purchase some strawberry quartz and work with it some more. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you are new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. So if you're really interested in learning about how crystals and gemstones can help you lift up the quality of your life and help you handle those life stressors then make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.